Good morning. Today is our tour to the Daintree Forest. Right now we're trying to look for breakfast as our hotel, the Sheridan. It's $16 for continental breakfast, but you can't get any of the cooked food. If you want the cooked food, it's $22. This is Australian we're talking about, Australian dollars. So we thought it was a little pricey for what they were offering. So if you decide to come to Sheridan and you want to eat breakfast, just keep in mind that you're going to pay a pretty penny, in my opinion, for breakfast. So we're just going to look for breakfast, and if we can't find anything, fortunately the tour will have a big lunch. So we're just going to see what we can get, and if there's nothing there, we're just going to wait till lunch and just eat it. Right now we're on the tour right now. We just got to the Daintree Rainforest, or the outskirts of it. Stopped at a gift shop for breakfast. I had to get a swimsuit, which was overpriced, but I didn't know that there was going to be swimming. So right now we're just taking a little break before we get back on the bus to head on. Just saw a big spider, which was cool.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Welcome here. My name is Tom. I'm part of the Kuku Yalanji family. We occupy the Daintree. Kuku means to speak of the land, the language, the people. Yalanji. Let me hear you say that. Kuku Yalanji.
Kuku Yalanji.
All right. There's a little twist at the end there. Someone says Kukubala. All right. So first off, strangers, I welcome you here. This is part of our customs. I place the paper bark. All right. The paper bark is a special plant that we utilize onto the fire, create that smoke, and therefore you must pass through it. Okay, pass through the smoke, have that on your body, and we look at our ancestor spirit, will smell us all the same, and allow us to move in freely and leave freely. All good with that?
Yeah.
You don't have to do that. Problem with asthmatic, you stay out a bit wider. For our use for the paper bark, everyone, Melaleuca, teepee, gum tree. There we go. That just feels naturally. Bayako is our language. There we go. Place some there. Once again, if you're asthmatic, stay out a bit wider, as we are. Yeah. Quick twirl. Spin yourself around into that smoke. There we go. Thick utensils, tools and weapons, spears, boomerang, shields. And this one here is defensive, to block out the spears that are coming at you. This one here has a snake and turtle painted on. So therefore the warrior is represented by the snake. Caribou, fruits and berries, even babies can be utilized with that. Spears we have to hunt together. We put a hole in the back of it, pick up another little stick with a hook, and that is meant to throw it a lot faster, a lot further. We never had the bow and arrow, actually. This is how it we made, similar to what the bow and arrow would come to. Shallow fishing, send it through, sail it like a javelin. We say galga for the spear, woomera for that little hook stick. Even the boomerang you can also utilize. These are timbers in the rainforest. So we have to say ask first and thank later to the spirit world. Yalada, Majamaga. There you go. Fruits and berries. These are just the fruit here. Some we can eat, some we cannot. The yellow guava, the native guava, we say buyan. Buyan meaning bad. For the damson plum, the Davison plum, we can say mai. We can eat this one. Yeah, so buyan, mai. Then go to the plant, medicinal use. Yeah, I just broke this one just a little earlier. This one here, special use, a multi-purpose, from the bark to the leaf. For the leaf, we crush in water. We squeeze, wriggle, jiggle and squeeze. This one here creates soap, shampoo, insect repellent, and muscle aches and pain.
Wow, that's impressive. Wow.
Froth it up. The more you rub, the more you add water, more frothiness, more cleansing, cleaning. Heals your infection. Very odorless, freshly mowed lawn. Red, orange, brown, Mother Earth, fire, blood, a little bit of yellow. Yeah, a very fine one left here. I'll have to get some more. Maybe add too much butter on that one. Never mind. Make it work. Sunlight, energy, warmth. Yeah, a bit of ashes from the fire. There we go, rub some of that. Put some of that on. Skin. Night. Death. Represented by the ashes. Sunlight for yellow. Mother Earth, red. The white clay. A little bit in a bowl here, coconut shell. Add some butter into that one. Give it a little bit of mix. Scratch that, just chalk. That's what it is, just chalk. These I gather from the deepest part of the water, butter. Put some of that on. There we go. I'll have to rub some more of that one. Over to the other side. Put some on the black then, did I? Go. And the white will represent the ghost of our people. Ancestor spirit. The dreaming. All of this will represent the Yalinji people here in the rainforest. Raining. Everyone say Gaba Gangari.
Gaba Gangari.
Rain will come.
We start where we finish, the birds come out in front of the bus. So you got brothers and sisters?
2 brothers.
With you in spirit. So when you're Aborigine from any type of Aborigine now, and the grandparents, they give you a totem. A totem is an animal or a plant or something. If you're given an animal, say it is a wombat, tree koala, or a fish, you're not allowed to eat or harm that animal in any way. And that is your totem. So you can put a scrub wallaby on you. Say if your totem and you're handed down a scrub wallaby, barriers, always the lines.
I got 3 husbands.
Okay, and the feet of a scrub wallaby, okay, which means you will protect that scrub wallaby everywhere you go. If I go fishing, my family give me a jungle perch, okay, or I'm not Aborigine, but I say I'm not allowed to hurt that jungle perch. I'm not allowed to eat that fish. Nothing. You know, mosquito repellent, honestly, rub that. If you've got bites, rub that on. You won't get bitten today. The mosquitoes and the sandflies don't like that, okay? So, if you want to just rub it in, all you got to do is just rub it on like that. If you've got mosquito bites, just rub it in, dip in the water. If you mix this one with the black, if you mix the black and that one, you put on your teeth, toothpaste.
I feel aboriginal right now. Just got a mark on my head. As you saw the arms. And it's really cool. This is a really cool experience. As you see my arms got marked up. That means that the spirits are my family, particularly my brothers and sisters. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. They're with me in spirit. Can't wait to tell them that. That y'all was in Australia with me in spirit.
You can tell Danielle.
Yeah. So technically,
We've got marks on our forehead because we're a happy relationship.
yeah. So this is really cool. Like I said, I feel Aboriginal. So this is really a cool experience. I'm loving it, enjoying it. So we're continuing on with our journey. We're in the Daintree Rainforest. I hope to swim in the river. But our host, our tour guide host, is checking out the water, make sure it's safe for us to swim in before we just jump in, which I think is very good. But I hope to get in the water because this is really exciting for me. What word describe my experience to that river? Wow. That was fun. That was exhilarating. I feel like a new man. I feel like $1 million right now. Just feels so clean and so fresh after just doing that, jumping off, right letting the waves take me. I feel like a free man, which I am. But no, really, it's just an exhilarating experience to do this. It's just wow. All right, the rest of our tour group is doing a river cruise. When I signed up for this, it was pretty pricey just to do a river cruise. On top of that, I just felt like we're gonna be diving and snorkeling tomorrow, so I didn't see the necessary of selling a river.
We didn't need it.
Yeah, we didn't really need it, so we're just gonna hang out with our travel driver, our host, and Stu, that's his name. And we're just gonna drive up and pick the rest of the group up, which is fine by me. We're stopping at the Daintree River, which our tour guide has just told us is very dangerous. Like if you fall in this water, this murky brownish water that you can't see, you're never getting out because of the creatures that lurk in this water. There's like saltwater crocodiles, bull sharks, dangerous animals that you literally can't see, and you'll see how little visibility there is in this water. It's just crazy. Like you'll see it right quick. This is the river right here. As you can see how murky this water is. I mean, you can't see it. You can't see it.
Right.
You can't see anything in this water.
So
but
that's called like a croc log because you don't know if it's a piece of wood or
a croc.
Or a croc.
Yeah. So it's amazing. It's like they can see us, but we can't see them. It's just dangerous. But this is the water in Australia you don't want to get it. But our tour guide has told us that just don't get in the water. I want to show you the cost of crossing the Daintree Forest or river. In this case, it is super expensive. Yeah.
There was no board like that when they before it. There was no board. It was like, oh yeah, charity donation.
Yeah. It is a monopoly. It's one family owns this crossing, and there's no other crossing to get past the Daintree River, which I gotta be honest, I'm scratching my head right now. But
there's not a public fair.
There's no public fair. There's nothing. This family owns this ferry. This is the only ferry to get across. But this is just crazy how much it costs just to get to and from. And our tour guide has told us that this is the Daintree is getting very popular. It's like number 2 behind the Barrier Reef, which is not surprising as more word gets spread out. And you can only pay cash only. That's the crazy part. So, geez Louise, it's just amazing. We're in the Daintree Rainforest and stop at Cape Tribulation. We are about to eat some lunch. Right now, we're at the tip, I guess the most northern part of Australia, of all of Australia. It was an interesting ride, a little bumpy from here and there, but we made it up here. And now we're here in the rainforest, and boy, is it gorgeous. And as I say, we're about to eat some delicious lunch. I'm going to get a kangaroo burger. I love kangaroo burgers. They're delicious. I love eating kangaroos. But yeah, right now I'm having a blast. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I stole some mangosteens on the ride up here with my tour guide. So, fortunately I didn't get arrested or
shot.
Get Swiss cheesed up from a shotgun.